Thank you for stopping by. Please hit the like button if this blowout is something you enjoy, and hit subscribe for all of our latest content. Stay tuned for tutorials, and if there's something that you'd like to see, please leave us a comment. Bye. Enjoy. So this is something I like to do when I do my blowouts. They're very meditating, but I make sure that I get the roots nice and straight, and I blow dry the roots before I put any heat on the ends. You want to make sure that the roots are completely dry before you move on to the ends, because the ends can't take as much heat as the roots. The roots of our hair is healthier than the ends of our hair, so we want to protect those ends by any means possible. Make sure you're using a good heat protectant before you decide to do a blowout on yourself, or make sure that your stylist is using a good heat protectant as well. I said that blowouts are meditating because this is something that I absolutely love doing, to just watch the hair smooth out and go straight. This client has very, 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 very curly, thick, frizzy hair. So her blowouts normally last about 1 week, so this gives her the option of not having to deal with her curly frizzy hair, and it makes it easier for her to style throughout the day. I chose to use a small round brush on this client to give her lots of volume and body. Using a small round brush also gives lots of small curls and lots of smoothness, along with the body and volume. This is also good if you'd like for your curls to last for days. Using a curling iron afterwards also ensures longevity in the look that you desire. I have several clients that always come in just for a wash and blowout, and it's pretty normal. Don't feel embarrassed if you don't feel like washing your hair and you just want to go to the salon and let someone else wash it for you and blow dry. Because in actuality, most stylists love blow drying. I'm sure you notice my client's hair and how shiny and smooth it is. Yes, it has a lot to do with the products, but that blow dryer I'm using, y'all, I've had it for 5 years. And my clients still tell me it gets hotter than the one that they have at home. There are a lot of good ones on the market now, but I'm a BaByliss fan. I have the flat iron and I have the blow dryer, and I love them. And no, I'm not being sponsored to say this. So if you notice, I blow dried the sides first and I'm blow drying the top. I normally blow dry the top this way so that there's volume and she can wear her hair to the left or to the right and still have volume, but not to where it's overwhelming. But this blow drying the hair with the roots up makes it to where the hair doesn't just lay flat against the head. I know y'all see me struggling in this clip, but I allowed her ends to get dry, and I don't know why I didn't add some type of something to moisten those ends. But yeah, I was on the struggle bus right there for a minute, but you know, we got back on it. Okay, so I'm going to stop talking and I'm going to speed this up a little bit. That way y'all can really enjoy this blowout. Well, we're getting to the end of this blowout, and I hope that you all have enjoyed watching this. And you see how smooth my client's hair is. She's going to be able to wear that for at least a week, or if she decides to wash her hair in 2 weeks. But thank you all for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe.